Since the late 1800s, the meaning and purpose of cave art have been a topic of debate. Welcome to the Chronicles of AI, where today we're counting down our picks for the top 20 greatest archaeological discoveries of all the time. Among the public, she was known simply as Lucy, while scientists worked to piece together her life story. In this list, we're highlighting some of the most remarkable and important archaeological finds throughout history. Have you visited any of these sites? Let us know in the comments. Starting at number 20, we have Göbekli Tepe. Although this site was first noted in 1963, its significance wasn't understood until the mid-1990s, when German archaeologist Klaus Schmidt identified the stone slabs as the tops of prehistoric megaliths and began excavations. His team unearthed dozens of massive stone monoliths adorned with intricate carvings, some weighing as much as 20 tons. These megaliths form part of circular structures dating back to the Neolithic period, making Göbekli Tepe the world's oldest known temple, erected as early as 9,500 BCE. The purpose of the site remains a mystery, but the carvings offer insights into prehistoric religious practices, marking Göbekli Tepe as a key site in the transition from nomadic lifestyles to settled societies. At number 19, we have the oldest footprints in North America. In 2018, human footprints were discovered in British Columbia, Canada, dating back about 13,000 years. However, in 2021, a groundbreaking discovery in New Mexico's White Sands National Park revealed footprints between 21,000 and 23,000 years old, suggesting humans settled in North America much earlier than previously thought. Coming in at number 18 is Richard III's grave. This English king's remains were lost for centuries until they were found in 2012 beneath a modern parking lot, bringing to light one of England's most notorious rulers. Number 17. The Madaba Map. In the late 19th century, construction workers in Madaba, Jordan, unearthed an ancient mosaic depicting Jerusalem and the Holy Land, dating to the 6th century. Known as the Madaba Map, it is the oldest surviving geographic floor mosaic and has been instrumental in locating biblical sites. Number 16. The Serapeum of Alexandria. The Library of Alexandria was the most renowned center of knowledge in the ancient world, and its daughter library, the Serapeum of Alexandria, lasted until its destruction in 391 CE. Rediscovered in the mid-20th century, the site has revealed one of the greatest centers of learning in human history. Number 15. Knossos. Located on the Greek island of Crete, Knossos is often regarded as Europe's oldest city and the heart of the ancient Minoan civilization. Excavated by Sir Arthur Evans in the early 1900s, the site has provided invaluable insights into one of the earliest advanced civilizations in the world. Number 14. Ötzi the Iceman. In 1991, hikers discovered a 5,000-year-old natural mummy preserved in a glacier in the Alps, now known as Ötzi the Iceman. This remarkable find offers a glimpse into Copper Age Europe and the lifestyle of its inhabitants. Number 13. Mohenjo-Daro. Dating back to 2500 BCE, Mohenjo-Daro in modern-day Pakistan was one of the earliest and most advanced cities in the world, with a sophisticated grid layout and sewage system. Abandoned around 1900 BCE, the site was rediscovered in the 1920s and remains only partially excavated. Number 12. The Antikythera mechanism. Discovered in 1901 in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece, the Antikythera mechanism is the world's oldest known computer, dating back over 2,000 years. This complex device was used to chart the positions of celestial bodies and predict eclipses, showcasing the advanced technological capabilities of the ancient Greeks. Number 11. Troy. The existence of the ancient city of Troy, made famous by Homer's Iliad, was debated for centuries until it was identified at the site of Hisarlik in western Turkey. Although the existence of the Trojan horse remains unproven, the discovery of Troy has been a significant milestone in understanding ancient Greek history. Number 10. Tutankhamun's tomb. Discovered in 1922 in the Valley of the Kings, Tutankhamun's tomb is one of the most famous archaeological finds in history. Despite attempts by grave robbers, the tomb was remarkably intact, containing over 5,000 artifacts, including the pharaoh's iconic golden death mask. Number 9. Sutton. Who, In 1939, archaeologists in Suffolk, England, uncovered an Anglo-Saxon burial mound containing an entire ship and numerous artifacts, including pieces of gold armor. The identity of the person buried remains uncertain, but the find is one of the most significant in British history. Number 8. Olduvai Gorge. Located in Tanzania, Olduvai Gorge is a key site for understanding early human evolution, with fossils and stone tools dating back nearly 2 million years. The discoveries at Olduvai have been crucial in shaping our knowledge of early human ancestors. Number 7. The Cave of Altamira. Discovered in Spain in 1868, the Cave of Altamira contains prehistoric paintings and drawings dating back around 36,000 years. These stunning depictions of local animals provide insight into the lives and beliefs of early humans. Number 6. The Terracotta Army. Discovered in the 1970s in Shanxi Province, China, the Terracotta Army is a vast collection of life-sized clay soldiers buried with the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, over 2,200 years ago. The army was built to protect the emperor in the afterlife, and the site is believed to be part of a much larger necropolis. Number 5. The Dead Sea Scrolls. Discovered in the mid-1940s in caves near the Dead Sea, the Dead Sea Scrolls are some of the oldest known religious texts, providing invaluable insights into the early history of Judaism and Christianity. Number 4. Pompeii. The ancient city of Pompeii was buried under volcanic ash during the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, preserving it almost perfectly. Excavated in the 16th century, Pompeii offers a unique snapshot of Roman life and remains one of the most popular archaeological sites in the world. Number 3. The Library of Ashurbanipal. Unearthed in the 19th century, the Library of Ashurbanipal in Nineveh, modern-day Iraq, contained over 30,000 clay tablets with texts dating back to the 7th century BCE, including the oldest known piece of literature, the Epic of Gilgamesh. Number 2, Lucy, the remains of Lucy, a 2-million-year-old Australopithecus afarensis, were discovered in Ethiopia in 1974. As one of the oldest and most complete hominid skeletons ever found, Lucy has greatly expanded our understanding of human evolution. Number 1. The Rosetta Stone. The Rosetta Stone, discovered in 1799 by French soldiers in Egypt, is perhaps the most significant archaeological find of all time. This large stone slab, inscribed with the same text in 3 different scripts, Greek, Demotic, and Egyptian hieroglyphics, provided the key to deciphering ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs. The breakthrough in understanding the language opened up a wealth of knowledge about ancient Egyptian civilization, culture, religion, and history. The Rosetta Stone, now housed in the British Museum, is considered the cornerstone of Egyptology and one of the most important artifacts in the history of archaeology. Did you enjoy this video? Check out these other clips from the Chronicles of AI, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.